Welcome! In front of me I have Google Pixel Watch and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. If you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here at the back of the watch, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Okay, let's continue with the measurement. So first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch. So let's wait until it turns off. And now let's wake it up by pressing the crown button or by tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe left on the screen to scroll through the list of tiles, basically the widgets. Now, find the heart rate widget or tile. It looks like this, and your watch should start measuring the heart rate automatically. So I'm gonna place my finger on the sensor, and let's wait until the watch detects my heart rate. With the finger, sometimes it's hard to detect the heart rate. That's why I said that the results of the measurement might be not too accurate. But here we have it. As you can see, this number is jumping around because the watch is measuring the heart rate in real time. So this number will jump around, but once it stabilizes a little, it should be your current heart rate. You can also scroll down right here. Or tap on this widget, or other tile, my bad, and you can scroll down right here to see the different statistics like the range of your heart rate. You can see the week progression and also the amount of fat burn, cardio, and peak heart rate zones and stuff like that. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you measure the heart rate on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.